beauties, today we're gonna create my favorite 8 ways to curl your hair with a flat iron. I'm using WAVYTALK hair straightener. Don't forget to check out the info bar for the link and for the discount code as well. For the first slightly waved hair, we want to position diagonally our straightener. Grabbing the strand, we want to twist it less than 45 degrees. Second one, we want to grab our strand, bring it into our straightener, and then you want to twist your straightener basically at 360 degrees. So this time we'll have not a wave but a curl like that. For the next, we want to grab our strand, bring your hair over your straightener, creating a circle, and then through the straightener downwards. And don't forget to position your straightener horizontally this time. This will create that bouncy curl. Grabbing the strand, you bring it through your straightener and you want to twist it. As you twist, make sure to loosen your straightener, so this way you can twist your straightener and bring more hair through the hot elements of the straightener. And so you want to twist it like basically using a curling wand like that. So you just loosen a bit and twist, loosen a bit and twist until reaching the ends. Hold it into your hand and look what a curl you'll get. It looks like you made it with a curling wand. Fantastic, and I'm sure this one will last a lot. For the next, we'll make some beachy waves. Positioning diagonally your flat iron, grab your strand and twist your flat iron 360 degrees. Leave your curl and twist it again. Leave your curl and twist it again. This is the way professional makes with a flat iron beachy waves. Basically, this way is a little harder, so I decided to show you the next one, which will be even a little more voluminous than the first one. So you grab the strand through the straightener, positioning diagonally your straightener but downwards like so. You want to twist your strand with the straightener 360 degrees like that and leave your curl. And then again you want to grab the section from where you stopped. You twist it and leave it, and again repeat the steps until reaching the ends. For the beachy waves, I recommend you to leave the ends straight. Oh, funny one. This is an infinity sign or S-shape kind of wave. This one is so interesting because I did learn how to create it on cosmetologist school, so it was so much fun when doing it. You basically grab a very small strand and push it through your straightener like 1 inch, and then you come back and push it again. So basically you create this sign and you push it until reaching the ends through the hot element of the hair straightener. Next one, this will give you that beachy, effortless and so trendy way to style your hair. So basically you grab this strand and twist it towards and then away from your strand. You basically see what I'm doing. This is kind of hard to explain. This is the trendiest way to style your hair now because it looks undone, but nobody will see that frizziness, okay? Especially if you're blonde, you will understand. The next one is the funky one, which I like so much. I used a metal straw, but instead you can use a wooden pencil, so you can use heat on it, okay? Don't use plastic. Wrap your strand around the metal straw or wooden pencil, and then you want to use your straightener to heat up this curl. You want to release your beautiful curl. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, of course don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel, and let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. If you want any videos on how to curl hair or any other hair related videos requests, don't forget to let me know in comments down below. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!